Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about orange and teal and how you can get at least a really good start or basis to start editing off of in just 4 clicks. It's actually quite simple, might be easier than you think, or maybe you already know this. Basically, we're going to be using the camera calibration tool to get that really nice orange and teal look, get some nice orange skin tones and very nice blue tealish highlights. We're going to be using the camera calibration and the white balance mainly. Obviously the orange and teal is a really sought after look. It's really trendy right now, especially for Instagram and nighttime photography. Obviously, we all understand why it looks so damn good. So anyways, we're gonna enough chit chat and we're just gonna hop into Lightroom and let's get started. All right, we're in Lightroom now, and this photo on the left is kind of what a final result would look like. As you can see, we got those really nice oranges and those blue and teals. So we're gonna head over to our image, and the first thing you want to do always is scroll all the way down to camera calibration, and we're gonna bump our red primary all the way to the right, and then green all the way to the right, and blue all the way to the left. Now you can see it kind of turned those red lights and more into an orange. And now we're just going to go over to the white balance and shift this all the way to the blue side until these white lights in the background start to become a little bit bluish. Now this depends on the photos you're editing, but generally speaking, for camera calibration, you always want to put these at 100. But, play around a little bit. You don't have to follow exactly what I do. I'm just going to bump up the exposure. And as you can see, we've already got a pretty good starting point. Hang on, let me just straighten this out. That's not straight. There we go. So yeah, there you go. Already just with 4 buttons, 4 clicks, we've already gotten from this to this. It's a pretty good start. Now, as you can see, this these highlights on the model's left side is a little bit too red for my taking, so we're just gonna go over to the red, shift it a little bit more over to the orange, a little bit too much, and get our orange and just kind of play around with it. It's a little bit too yellow, a little bit more orange. There we go. We're gonna get our blue, shift it more to teal or more of a natural blue if you want. Sorry, neutral, not natural. And from this point on, I think it's basically, happy sailing. All right, so yeah, this is a completely different photo. It's not at nighttime, it's all natural lighting, and I just want to show that show off how well this method actually works. So once again, red all the way to the right, green all the way to the right, blue all the way to the left. Now you might be thinking, oh, it looks a little bit too autumny, too red, too orangey. Well, now we just shift the white balance. If you want, you can just color pick this spike. There you go, you've got your orange and teal. Now the red hoodie is obviously looking a little bit too kind of orangey there, so what we're going to do is hue saturation, move the red a little bit to the left, orange a little bit to the left. There you go. Now the road in the middle is a little bit too orange. We can fix that. Saturation down. There we go. Very clear before and after. Obviously this needs a bit of fine tuning, but it's very, very easy to get that orange and teal look. Let's see if we can get another photo here, probably with some models. There we go. So just gonna reset the camera calibration. Greens to the right, reds to the right, blue to the left, white balance to the left. I'll bring the saturation down a little bit. Fix the skin tones. Just need to bring the saturation down for all of these. And there you go. As you can see, we've got our orange and teal quite quickly. Obviously, there are some other settings that come into play, but I just want to show you how easy it is with 4 minimum 4. Obviously, HSL and color needs to be adjusted depending on your photo, but when you bring it down to the basics, you got red camera calibration, green camera calibration, blue camera calibration, and the white balance, and you can already get some banging photos. Really nice orange and teal. Anyways, that's it. So there you go. That's how you get a really good or solid start on editing orange and teal photos. I definitely love doing this. I do it for a lot of my nighttime photos because I really love that orange and teal look. You don't have to follow my instructions exactly, you know. Definitely mess around and try put your own artistic style into it. It definitely makes it more interesting so we don't all have the same type of photos. Definitely going to be maybe doing more of these really short and quick videos. So let me know what you think. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see, what kind of tutorials or any like little hacks or tips and tricks like this. And that's it. See you guys.